This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the return to home altitude in this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to open the camera view of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings by tapping on those three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Inside settings, select the first section, that is MC settings. Now scroll down and look for the return to home altitude. Now tap here, then input the desired value for this option. So you can set it to be anywhere between 20 and 500 meters. So let's say I'll set it at 30, or once again 30, and then press the OK to confirm. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.